Hi, this is going to be an Excel spreadsheet tutorial on Vlookup, but this is my previous video did a basic introduction. This video is not going to take it too much further. All we're going to do is we're going to show you how to input a Vlookup formula, but also make sure that the legend is not on the same sheet. So you don't have to see this legend here. So I'm going to do my grade book again. But I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to paste my reference, or I already did apparently. My reference, my legend sheet, or my legend table is now under a sheet known as legend reference. I named it legend reference. So we're going to go back to the Vlookup intro, and we're going to get rid of this so we got rid of that legend, and so now I'm going to input the Vlookup formula. So I'm going to type VL equals VL tab. My lookup value is going to be B2, comma, and now I want to reference my table array, or in other words, my legend. So I'm going to click on Legend Reference Sheet, and you can see it's letting the spreadsheet know that we need to look at the Legend Reference Sheet. I'm going to highlight the data in the table, and you can see A2 to B6 appears. So I'm going from A2 to B6. Okay. Now I'm going to hit F4 to make sure that it always looks at A2 to B6 on this sheet. I don't want those to change, and very important before you do anything else, absolutely 100% hit comma now. Okay? That way it locks in. The second you hit comma, you can now see the bolded column index number. Now it's basically telling the spreadsheet that, okay, the table information has been entered. If you don't hit comma now and you click on Vlookup intro, this right here is going to change to Vlookup intro, and we don't want that. Okay? We want to look at A2 to B6 on the legend reference page. Now that I've hit comma, I can, I'm not manipulating the table array anymore. So I'm going to click on Vlookup intro. I'm going back to my original sheet. Okay, and I want to delete, because I clicked on Vlookup intro, it told me to look at the Vlookup intro sheet. We don't need that there. I'm just going to delete it. And now we need to put in our column index number, which just like last time, it is still 2. Still in the second column. We're going to end the parentheses, and then we're going to hit enter. And you can see that it is successfully inputting the Vlookup formula that I created and automatically populating the correct letter grades into the cell. And I don't have the reference on this page. And like I told you guys in the last video, if you go to the, or I think in the drop down video maybe, if you go to the Legend Reference tab or sheet, you can actually right click on Legend Reference and you can hide it if you don't want to see the Legend reference sheet on your spreadsheet, in your workbook. So that is all there is to having your legend references on a different sheet, which can be very convenient as it decreases a lot of clutter. So the next video will take Vlookup a little bit further. It's going to combine kind of Vlookup and drop-down menus and some other stuff together, and I'm going to work on creating an inventory workbook. So tune in for that. Thank you very much for watching.